and I'm just explaining what we're going to be doing today. Today's Wednesday. We're going to be doing a couple of different things. I am posting online for you a TED Talk called Does Money Make You Mean? And I also have a little worksheet that I want you to look through for that particular exercise. I also wanted to remind all of you that on Friday, we are going to be taking a Reading Plus assessment test. All 11th graders are required, actually all English students this year are required to take that particular test, like 2 times per semester. That's one thing. And the other thing is that on September 14th, 15th, and 16th, you are going to be asked to come to school for your FSA makeup test. It's going to be 1 day for writing and 2 days for reading. And I will post those Excel spreadsheets for you so you can please look at them. And please remember to come because it is of utmost importance that you are there. That way you can get it over with and move on with your lives and hopefully never have to take that test again. And then we're going to start The Great Gatsby today. So I have questions already up on your website. Please make sure that you look at them. I'm going to read through them first with my class today that's in person. I just want to make sure that everyone understands what's going on. And again, Gatsby is a great book, but it's probably one that if you saw it in the bookstore, you'd say, I don't know that I would get this. But after you get through that first section, I think you'll see why it is the classic that it is. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And that's it. Happy Wednesday. Almost at Friday. Woo. All right. See you guys. Bye-bye.